If you're thinking about the card, it will be your card.
That's so fast. That's awesome.
You can see both coins. You can see the space between the hands and the moment that they separate. That's 2 and 2, 1 and 1. And I want you all to imagine that I'm holding a fruit. I want you to imagine that you have your hands outstretched like this, and that I drop the fruit, and it lands in your hands. Is everybody imagining that? My man over here. What fruit are you thinking of?
Mango.
Mango? You're not going to believe this, but I did bring my lunch. It's a lemon. That would have been good, though. That would have been good. No, seriously, I need you guys to use your imagination, though. I want you to imagine that you're also holding a lemon. And I want you to imagine a knife. Imagine you take this knife and you cut this lemon. You can imagine the juices flowing down your arm. Maybe you taste it. You can imagine how sour it is. Maybe you squeeze it. You can imagine the juice flying. Are you imagining this? The interesting thing about that is imagination can be manipulated, played with. For instance, how many of you imagined a knife? Did you guys see a knife too? If you missed the knife, you probably missed the lemon. It's not. It was never a lemon. It's just this piece of paper. And what fruit did you say?
Mango. No way.
Yeah, I wrote mango. So you've got 3 here, 1 here. If I cover, it's 2 and 2. You can do this trick a lot of different ways. The camera will get this one really well. So you can see the 2 coins and you can see the space between them and the moment that they separate.
What the what?
I know, it's crazy. I want you to actually grab that coin and actually place it in my hand. And then close your hand. Close your hand. Did you actually put a coin here, or did you just imagine it? You actually
He doesn't know. I think I put it there.
But if you didn't, then I would have nothing. And you'd have all 4.
Stay out of that lane. So, what's your day job?